Look at my lashes. Ang ganda, diba? This is from Sweet Eye, sister brand of Mr. Wish. Sobrang ganda ng packaging nito, guys. They are very high quality and the only ones with 16mm lashes. May kasama na rin tong 2-in-1 bond and remover, upgraded glue, and hindi mo na kailangan magmascara. First step ay i-curl ko muna yung lashes ko. Next is i-apply yung lash bond. Wala siyang irritation and odorless din siya. And finally, i-apply na natin yung lashes. So this is my first time using lashes like this one, kaya dahan-dahan lang. At malakas yung kapit niya, guys, kahit hila-hilahin ko siya. O diba, ganda-gandahan. And ang maganda dito is madali lang din siya tanggalin gamit yung lash remover. I-apply mo lang siya dun sa lashes mo and wala din siyang irritation, and then dahan-dahan mo iti-take off yung lashes. Ganun lang kadali, super clean din gamitin, no residue, super easy to remove. Sobrang saya ko na discover ko to, it's a must buy talaga.